Let's explore the technical and non-technical considerations for AI and blockchain in more detail. Starting with the technical considerations, scalability is a crucial factor to consider for both AI and blockchain. As more data and transactions are processed, it's important to ensure that the system can handle the increased load without slowing down or becoming inefficient. This is particularly important for blockchain systems, which can become sluggish and ineffective as more users join and transactions occur. To ensure scalability, organizations should design their systems with growth in mind and regularly monitor system performance to make adjustments as necessary. Interoperability is another important technical consideration for AI and blockchain. This refers to the ability of different systems to work together seamlessly. As organizations begin to use multiple blockchain systems, it becomes crucial to ensure that they can communicate with each other without any issues. Security is also a critical technical consideration for both AI and blockchain. Both technologies deal with sensitive data that requires protection against cyber threats such as hacking, phishing, and other attacks. Implementing robust security measures like encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure key management is essential to safeguard against these threats. Privacy is another key technical consideration for AI and blockchain. Both technologies collect large amounts of user data, and it's important to ensure that this data is stored and processed in a way that protects user privacy. Measures like data anonymization and user consent help to ensure that the privacy of users is protected. Moving on to non-technical considerations, regulatory compliance is one of the most important factors to consider for AI and blockchain. Both technologies are subject to various regulations, and it's essential to ensure that any implementation is compliant with these regulations. For example, financial regulations such as KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, laws need to be followed when implementing blockchain in financial institutions. Ethical considerations are also critical non-technical factors to consider for AI and blockchain. Both technologies can have a significant impact on society, and it's crucial to ensure that any implementation takes into account ethical considerations. Issues like transparency, bias, and fairness must be addressed to ensure that the solution is equitable for all users. Cost is another non-technical factor that needs to be considered. Both AI and blockchain can be expensive to implement and maintain. The cost of hardware and software, along with ongoing maintenance and support costs, must be taken into account to ensure that the implementation is cost-effective. Lastly, user adoption is an important non-technical factor to consider for AI and blockchain. Both technologies can be complex and challenging to use, and it's important to ensure that users can adopt and use the technology effectively. User training and support play a critical role in ensuring that users are comfortable using the technology. In conclusion, it's essential to consider both technical and non-technical factors when implementing AI and blockchain solutions. Scalability, interoperability, security, and privacy are essential technical considerations, while regulatory compliance, ethics, cost, and user adoption are essential non-technical considerations. By carefully considering all these factors, organizations can implement successful AI and blockchain solutions that benefit all stakeholders.